Hey, Dan with 3D Auto Repair. Today we're looking at a 2004 Mitsubishi Endeavor. Customer came in and noticed that there was some grinding noise coming from the front. Weren't quite sure what was causing the issue. We took the vehicle for a drive, happened to notice that same thing, thought maybe it had a wheel bearing issue. Lifted it up, we were able to spin the wheels by hand and notice that both sides on the front did have a wheel bearing that is going out. One of the issues that we did have on this repair is that the vehicle, while it didn't have a lot of miles, it was quite old. And what had happened was the front drive axles had actually rusted into the wheel bearing itself. The front axle slides into the bearing. That's what drives the wheel. So in this particular repair, we had to replace the axles as well. As you can see from the pictures, we actually had to use the torch and cut these components apart, damaging the axle beyond its ability to be reused. We do run into these types of things from time to time. Machining tolerances can be very tight. Salt and those types of things do accelerate the rust issues, especially here in Illinois. So if you do have a vehicle that you're noticing has a noise or strange noise when you're driving it, we'd be happy to do a free inspection for you and kind of let you know what it would take to get it back into shape. Thanks for watching the video. We look forward to seeing you at the shop. Please share the video so we can get this information out to everybody.